Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to resize the Canva page. Well, the first way is to click here, but this option is only for Canva Pro. Don't worry, now I will explain a way if you don't have Canva Pro, and here you select the size you want. Okay, now the way without Canva Pro would be to open a new page. We put the size we want. Then, we go back to the main page and click here. Right-click Copy. Now we go to the new page and paste with Ctrl+V in Windows or Command+V in Mac, and that's it. Now what you should do is to adjust the size of the elements. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.